Definitely under the first priority. How many persons are there? 8 persons. Now seated around a circular table. 8 persons seated around a circular table and all the persons are facing towards the center. As all the persons are facing towards the center. And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in this one, then E sits second to the left of G. ఏం చేయాలి? E is seated second to the left of G. G is sir, E is sir. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? E is seated second to the left of G. And 2 people between E and D. Now 2 people between E and D, how many possibilities you have? 2 possibilities. Now 1, 2, D can be here. D can be either to the right hand side or to the left hand side. Now there is a second possibility as well. Now here G is at this place. Now E is here. Now 2 people between E and D, D is here. And A sits to the immediate right of D, A is here. Now here again A is to the immediate right of D. And 3 persons between C and F. That means C and F must be opposite to each other. Now if C is here, F will be here, or if C is here, F will be here. Now here again, C and F can be in these 2 places in any order. And they get C and F. And next one, F sits second to the left of B. Now if F is here, F is seated second to the left of B is not possible. Hence F will be here and C is here. And F is seated second to the left of whom? And second to the left of B. And F is seated second to the left of B is here. Now here again, F is seated second to the left of B and C is at this place. F is here, seated second to the left of B, B is here. B does not sit immediate to Z. And finally here, B and G are adjacent to each other, that is ruled out. Hence B does not sit adjacent to G, fine. Then who is the person left or H? Now H is here, that is the final arrangement. Clear, this is the reason why we have considered this one under the first priority. Must have been there the 1 to 5. Then coming to question number 6 onwards. Now sixth one, it comes under which category? First priority, blood relations. How many persons are there? 7 members are there in a family. And 7 members are there in a family. N is the only son of V. V is here. N is the only son of V. N is here. And next one, V, who is the father of K? Now V is the father of K. And V, who is the father of K? N is the only son. Hence K must be the daughter. And K is the sister-in-law of M. As K is the sister-in-law of M, now let us take for M and N are married to each other, isn't it? K is unmarried. K is unmarried means sister-in-law, spouse's sister is ruled out. Hence brother's wife. And K is the sister-in-law of M. And P is the only daughter of N. Who is this P? P is the only daughter. B is the grandmother of P. B is the grandmother of P. Now B is the grandmother of P. B is the mother of J. Now B is the mother of whom? B is the mother of J. And married to B. B and B are married. M is the mother of P. M is the mother of P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 persons were there. Then, now, N is the only son of V. As N is the only son, J must be a female. Then, now this is about question number 6 to 8. Then next one, question number 9. Now in this question number 9 onwards, and 8 boxes were there. They were placed one above the other in a stack. Now first priority, the second. My 8 boxes that they are stacked one above the other. Second priority. As of now, we had already done one set. Inkoka 1 or 2 sets cheste saripothundi. Now keep this one under the second priority. As of now, I am working out this. And 8 boxes were there. 2 boxes between F and E. And F is placed above E. And F is placed above E. There are 2 boxes between F and E. And 1 box between F and G. Now in between F and F is placed immediately above E. F is placed above E. 1 box placed between F and G. Now in between F and G, how many boxes are there? There is 1 box. And 3 boxes between A and H. In between A and H, there are exactly 3. A is placed immediately below F. A is placed immediately below F. A is here. And 2 boxes between C and H. Now in between C and H, how many? There are exactly 2. And B is placed above D. B is above this D. They get the information. Now according to this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 were there. Now between A and H. A and H the model and 3 boxes. Then 1, 2, 3. Then H is here. If you take H at this place, between C and H, 2 is not possible. Hence H cannot be above this. And H cannot be above this one. Then what is the other possibility we have? And H must be below this one. A and H there are 3, H is at this place. Now in between C and H there are exactly 2, C is here. Now between F and G there is exactly 1, G is here. F and G there is one more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then B is above this D, this is B and this is D. Now this is the final arrangement, that is from question numbers 9 to 13. Done with this? Then next one 14 onwards. Now in this question number 14 and 14 to 6. Amma ee set manaki easy avdaniki main reason ani cheppandi. And F is placed above V, above E. Then next one 14 to 16. Now 14 to 16, it comes under which category? Ma dentloki vastundi idi first priority. Definitely under the first priority syllogisms. Some roses are bottles. Now these are the roses that are bottles, rose and a bottle. And only a few bottles are grapes. Now some of the bottles are grapes but not all. This entire bottle cannot be part of grape. All grapes are oranges, this entire grapes is a part of this orange. And all oranges are bottles, that is false. All roses are orange, that is again false. Hence neither one nor two. Neither one nor two, choice for question number 14. Then coming to 15th one. Now in this 15, all dollars are rupees. All dollars are rupees can be written as, now these are the dollars that are rupees, all dollars are rupees. And next one, some rupees are euros. Now these are the rupees that are euros. Only a few euros are N. Some euros are N but not all. This entire euro is not a part of N. And next one, all euros are dollars. Is it true? False. Some N are dollars is a possibility. But some N are dollars means N and dollar can be intersected or not like this. Yes. And so only two follows, so choice one, question number 15. Then coming to 16th one. Now in this 16, all cats are what? All these cats are dogs. This entire cats is a part of dog, cat is here, dog is here. All cats are dogs and all rats are cats, all rats are cats, all cats are dogs. Only a few dogs are rabbits. Only some of the dogs are rabbit but not all. Isn't it? Only some dogs are rabbits but not all. No dog is rat. That is definitely true or false? That is false because all rats are dogs, some dogs are rats is true, no dog is a rat is false. Some cats are rats, that is definitely true. And so what is your answer? Only two. Only two, choice to question number 16. Then 17 onwards. 17 onwards upon first priority, second priority. Definitely under the first priority, if all the symbols are deleted, then which of the following is? 4th to the right of, 11th from the left, and Andhra will upon 11 plus 4. Now 15th from the left hand side. 15th from the left without the symbol. Without the symbol, 15th from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is your answer? 4, choice 3, question number 17. And 18th one. How many symbols are there? How many symbols are there which are immediately followed by letter preceded by number? Sequence must be number, symbol and a letter. Number, symbol and a letter. Unda ledam? Number. Then number, symbol and a letter. Unda ledam? Next one, 1, it is not followed by symbol. Now here, number, symbol and a letter. Next one, number, symbol and a letter. Isn't it? Next one, number, symbol and a letter. More than 4, choice 5, question number 18. Next one, 19th one. And which of the following is 7th to the left or 21st from the left? And 7th left to 21st left. 21 minus 7. Now 14th from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What is your answer? And 7th to the left of 28th from the left. Fine. Now 28. That means 21st from the left hand. When 14. And 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21st. 21st C, choice for question number 19. Then next one, 20th. If all the letters are deleted, which of the following is 9th to the left of, 5th from the right, 9th left and 5th right. Now 14th from the right. If all the letters are deleted, 14th from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. What is your answer? And 8, that is choice 5, question number 20. Then next one, 21. Now in this question number 21, 4 out of the following means odd one out. Now in this odd one out, P at the rate of D. P and at the rate of minus 1. At the rate of 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. And next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Q and E. Now between Q and E, what is the difference we have? minus 1. A and pound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. 8 and Z. 8 and Z, what is the difference we have between 8 and Z? 8 and Z minus 1. Z and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4. Here the difference between the second and the third element is plus 4. And in the remaining it is a plus 5. Choice 3 is the odd one, 21st. Then next one, 22 onwards. Now, 8 people are there seated in a row facing towards north. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, first are the second priority and definitely under the first priority. Now, E sits out to the left of F. F is at one of the extrements of the row. F is at one of the extrements of the row. F must be here. And E sits out to the left of F. E is here. Neither E nor F sits adjacent to C. And C cannot be at any one of these three places. Then, and H and C are immediate neighbors. And H and C are immediate neighbors. And neither H nor C sits at any one of the extrements. Neither H nor C sits at the extrements. Clear? H and C cannot be here. Then next one. Neither B sits out to the right of C. B is seated out to the right of C. Now, there are two possibilities for this C. C can be either here or here. If you have, can we have C at this place? No. In the Japan, B sits out to the right of C is not possible. As B sits out to the right of is not possible, C is. Now, C is H and C are immediate neighbors. H and C are immediate neighbors. Then B sits out to the right of C, B is here. Then next one, and neither D nor H is immediate to E. And D and H cannot be here, H must be here. Now, D cannot be at this place as well. Neither D. A is out to the left of D. As A is out to the left of D, D is here, A is here, and who is left over here? G is at this place. Then, now this is about question numbers 22 to 26. Then next one, 27 onwards. Now in this question number 27, my first priority or the second, and comparisons definitely under the first priority. Then 27 among 6 persons, and they are of different weight. Now these 6 persons are compared in different weight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then among these 6, P is heavier than U, P is heavier than U but lighter than Q. And T is heavier than R but lighter than whom? But lighter than P. And Q is lighter than S. Q is lighter than S. R is not the lightest. As R is not the lightest, then P is heavier than U but lighter than Q. And T is heavier than R but lighter than P. Q is lighter than what? Yes. R is not the lightest. This is what the information given. R is not the lightest. Now, if R is not the lightest, R, then who is the lightest? U. And R the only T. Next one is what? P. And before this P, there is Q. And next one, S. Then, second lightest person weight is 52, R is 52 kgs. And the third heaviest person is 64, P is 64. And now this is about question numbers 27 to 29. Then who among the following may be 58? Now T is 58 in between 52 and 64. 28. How many are heavier than R? 4 persons, that is choice 5. And what may be the possible weight of Q? And more than 64, and that is 66, choice to 29. Then next one, 32, 32. Now in this 32, 32, and Gifty start walking from point M and walks 10 meters to the rod. And started from M and walks how many meters? 10 meters to reach to point N. Then she takes right turn and walks how many meters? 7 meters. And to reach point O, then she takes left turn and walks 3 meters to reach P. Now 3 meters to reach what? To reach P. And from point P, she walks 13 meters east to reach T. From here, how many meters? 13 meters east to reach T. Then she takes final right turn 9 meters to south. 9 meters means up to here, this is 3. And here, 6 more meters to reach to point S. Then G is 2 meters away from point T. Away from point T. Then G is in which direction? And G is in which direction with respect to O? Not 2 meters away. Not 2 meters away. G can be here or here, here or here. In all these 3 cases, it is always to the northeast of O. Because this distance is 3. Ikkadiki vachina inka northeast untundi. And so northeast, choice 3, question number 30. Then next one, 31. Now, 4 out of the following is odd one out. M and T. M is to the southwest of T. O is to the southwest of T. N is to the southwest of what? P. And M and S. M is to the southwest of S వస్తుంది అవునా కదా ఎస్ N and O are in a horizontal straight line. And choice 5, question number 31. Then next one 32. And what the shortest distance between P and N? Now in between P and N 7 and 3. 7 square 49 plus 3 square 9, that is 58. Isn't it? Approximate 58 and 8 meters, choice 5. Now 58 plus how much is 64? Only 6 more. Are 7 తీసుకుంటే 49 and 58, the difference is how much? 9. Which is more nearer? Now 6 is more nearer. And it is more nearer to 8 when compared to 7. Make a రెండు ఇచ్చారు 7 and 8. Then coming to question number 33 to 37. Now in this 33 to 37, మా చెప్పండి 33 to 7 ఉంది, 38 to 40. Now between these two, which is more easier? 38 to 40 ఫస్ట్ చేయండి, ఎందుకంటే అప్పటికి మీకు టైం చాలా అయిపోయి ఉండాలి. And again we have left one set blocks is for the second priority. Okay. Then next one C and Z. మా Cకి Zకి మధ్యలో. Now Z is here, C is here. Now between these two, Z greater than C, C lesser than Z, only one follows. And equal to is false. Only one, that is given in choice 3, question number 38. Then next one, 39th one. M and U. M is here, U is here. Now between these two, U and M. U greater than M, M lesser than U, M greater than U is false. A and Y. Now between Y and A, Y greater than A lesser than Y, only two, choice 1, 39. Then next one coming to 40. Now in this 40, X and Y. X is here, Y is here. Which element is common? My element common ఉంది ఇక్కడ మనకి. S is common. X to S. X lesser than S. And again, S to Y. S to Y, S greater than Y. Two opposite symbols. No relation. F and L. F is here, L is here. Which element is common? S is common. S greater than F. And L lesser than S. L lesser than S, S greater than. Again, two opposite symbols, no relation. And neither one, not two. Choice 3, question number 40. Then, now we are left with 33 to 37. Now in this 33 to 37, 7 people are there. Born in 9 different months. 7 people born in different months. Must 7 different months kada? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ. Clear? Now 7 people born in 7 different months. And only one person was born in each month. No person was born in that given year. Then make a typing error on it. It is only born in different months, not required here. And what are the months we have? Jan, and next one March, April, and June, July, July, and next one September and October. Now here 7 persons were born in these 7 different months in a year. Then coming to condition number 1, Jan, March, April, June, and next one July, and September and October. Now these are the 7 persons who have. And 7 persons were born in these 7 different. Then C was born in the month having 31 days. Must C accrued Japan month having 31 days. How many possibilities we have? Jan, March, July, and October. 4 possibilities. Then C was born in the month which has 31 days. Only one person between C and B. C and B, how many? 1 person. And he was born after B, but not immediate. And he was born after B, but not immediate. Then A has been between F after A. F and A equal number of persons. And G was born before D. Where is this G? G is born before D. And next one, G was born before D. D and E were born in different months. D and E, different months. D and E, different months. And D and E were born in immediate months. Okay. D and E, immediate. Now D and E were born in immediate months. Then D and E were born in immediate months. And G was born, A was born before F. Where is this A? A is born before F. And D was born in the month having 30 days. Now D was born in the month which is having 30 days. Now how many possibilities we have? D can be either in the month of April or June or September. Then D and E. Then next one, more than 2 persons between G and D. Now in between G and D, more than 2 people. Now G is before this D. More than 2 people means this is ruled out. Now this is again ruled out. Hence, more than 2 people means maybe 3 people or 4 people. And G or D can be here. There are the 2 possibilities. Then G and D, G and D. As G and D were fixed here. Then G and D and next one D and E are immediate to each other. As D and E are immediate to each other, Then C and B, there is exactly one person. And C and B. F and A equal number each other. And C was born in the 31. C and B, there is exactly one person. A and F. Then D and E, they are born in immediate months. అవునా కదా immediate months మనకి possibilities ఏమున్నాయి చెప్పండి D and E immediate months. Now D and E, can you take E at this place or not? మరి రాసుకోవచ్చు లేదా E? Now if E is here, then B is before this one. Any other information? And F and A. As many people, E was born after B, but not immediate. And next one, C was born in the month which is having 31 days. Now, C and born in the month of 31 days, then, ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఇక్కడ మనకి E ఇక్కడ ఉంటే D and E were born immediate months అయిపోయింది. C can be here or not? Now, if C is here, then where should this be? C and E, there must be exactly one person. B is here. Now, C and B, D and E, F and A. F and A immediate, and F for A, F for A. And A is before this F, this is A, and this is F. And GCA, BF, DE. సరిపోయిందమ్మా? And this is the final arrangement we have. Then, now this is about 33 to 37. Anything left over in this paper? Yes, number series. Now coming to question numbers 56 to 60. Now here, 9, 36, ఏమవుతున్నాయి? All the given numbers are squares. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 18 square, 324 joins 2. The given numbers are squares of multiples of 3. And next one, 6 and 30 into 5, into 4, into 3, into 2. Into 2 is how much? 720 joins 5. And 58. 36 and 38 difference ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? 2. And here minus 4. Next one plus 8. Minus 16 plus 32. And plus 32, 58. That is choice 5, 58. Then 59. Now 12, 36, 51. 12 and 36 difference ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? Now 12 and 36, the difference is 24. And 36 and 51, 20. Now 15. And next one 51 and 59, 8. Now 24, 58. 24 can be written as 5 square minus 1, 4 square minus 1, 3 square minus 1, 2 square minus 1 is what? 3. 59 plus 3, 62, joins 5, 15. Then 16. Now 8, 13, 20. 8 and 13 difference is so much? 5. 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 11. 13 is 53, joins 3. Odd number difference. Then, now this is about clerk prelim paper number 62. The next one, PO prelim. RRB PO prelim paper number 65. Must start చేద్దామా PO prelim? Now coming back to this one. Now coming to question numbers 1, 2, 3. Now first 3 questions. ఏం చేయాలి? First priority, second priority. And definitely under the first priority. And Ravi starts walking from where? From point R and walks 7 meters north to reach point B. Then Ravi starts walking from point R and walks Ravi starts walking from where? From point R. And from point R and walks 7 meters north to reach point B. Then from point R. And Ravi starts walking from R and walks how many meters? 7 meters. And to reach point B, then he takes right turn and walks 9 meters. And there right hand side. And then he takes right turn and walks 9 meters to reach point W. From W he walks 14 meters south. Now from W, what is the distance we have? 14 meters. Now 14 meters south. To reach which one? To reach point T. And again, must 7 and 7. Now here in this 7. Then he takes left turn and walks 6 meters to reach point X. From here and 6 meters and to reach point X. Then he takes again left turn and walks how many meters? 9 meters. 9 into the 7. And 7 plus 2 how much? 9. And 9 meters to reach point U. Again from U. Then he walks 8 meters west to reach S. My 8 meters and this is how much? 6 meters. Now 6 plus how much is left over here? 2 more is left. And out of this 7. Now this is 2 and this is how much? This is 5 meters. And 8 meters west to reach point S. Then he takes right turn and walks 10 meters to reach N. And 10 meters and 5 plus 5. Now this is 5 plus 5 and reach to point N. From N. Then he takes final left turn and walks 11 meters. And out of this 9. And this is 2 and this is 7. And 7 plus how much is left over? 4 more. And reaches to point V. Now this is the final diagram we have. Then T is in which direction? T is in which direction with respect to B? And T with respect to B, now from B onwards, now south and east to southeast. From B this is south and this is east. South and east to southeast, choice for question number 1. And what is the shortest distance between V and R? Now in between V and R, V is here and R is here. Now we need to find the shortest distance between these two. Now this distance. Now this is 7 and 5. How much? 7 plus 5, 12. Now this is 4. 144 plus 16. How much is this one? 160. And 160 can be written as, Melara's goes 160, 60 into, and 160. 160 Melara Japandi. And 4 into 40. And 4 into 40 on the and 16 into 10. 16 and 4 root 10. Sarvena? And 4 root 10, that is choice 5, question number 2. And odd one out. R and N. R and N. R is, where is this R here? R is to the southwest of N. T and U. Now T is to the southwest of U. And W. And W is what? W is to the and southeast of V. And W is to the southeast of V. And so what is your answer here? Choice 3, question number 3. The next one, question number 4 onwards. Now in this question number 4 to 8. Now how many persons are there? And 10 people are there. Now 10 people. And they are living on 10 different floors. 10 people, 10 different floors. And one is, and so on. No parameter added to this one. As no parameter is added to this one, it comes under which category here? And first priority. I'm going to start with them first priority and 10 persons. Now write down the number. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 persons. H lives on an even number floor above the 4th floor. My above the 4th floor and H can be 6th floor, 8th floor or 10th floor. How many possibilities we have? 3 possibilities. And L is 4 places below R. L is 4 places below R. In between L and R there must be exactly 3 only. Isn't it? L is 3 floors below R. And only 2 between H and R. Now H and R, how many are there? There must be exactly 2. And as many people L as below. L and D we need to have equal. U does not live on an odd number. U even number floor. And 3 people between D and A. Now in between D and A, how many are there? There must be exactly 3. And as many A and Q, Y and A. In between A and Q, we need to have Y and A equal number of persons. A must be exactly in between Y and Q. And M lives immediately above Y. M is immediately above Y. This is what the information we have. I mean, take it. Then from here onwards. Mechanism start the R. H and R, there are exactly 2 people. Then H is already fixed here. And H and R, there are exactly 2 people. Mechanism start the H and R. And H and R, there are exactly 2 people. R is here. Make this H and R, there are exactly 2 people. Now, here we 2 possibilities. Here we 1 possibility. First, we need to focus on this one. And if these 2 are invalid, then straight away you need to start with this one. Okay? And H and R in R. And between R and L, there are exactly 3. 1, 2, 3, L is here. Now in this case, 1, 2, 3, L must be on the 3rd floor. And R and L. Next one, H and R. L and D. L and D equal number. Now L is third from the bottom and D is third from the bottom, L and D. And next one, H and R, D and A, there are exactly 3. 1, 2, 3, A is here. Now between D and A, 1, 2, 3, A is at this place. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? D and A. Then next one, L and D, A and Q, and Y and A. A is exactly between Y and Q అన్నారు. A is exactly between Y and Q. M is immediately above this Y అన్నాం. M and Y must be adjacent to each other. M and Y are adjacent to each other. అమ్మ ఇక్కడ పాసిబిలిటీస్ తీసుకుందాం. M and Y. M and Y, if you start from here, ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం M and Y. And M and Y. My M and Y ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి? Then Q is, and Q is exactly between what? And Q is exactly, and A is exactly between Y and Q. And A is exactly between 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Is it possible? No. Clear? Hence M and Y cannot be here. One next possibility across in M and Y. And immediately above this one. That is 4 and 3. Now if you take M is here, then here Y is here. M and Y. Then M and Y. Now M and Y, M is immediately above. Next one. Now A is exactly between Y and A and Q. Y and A there are 2. A and Q there must be exactly 2 is. Then next one, U lives on an even number floor, U is here. Then what else is left over? Only one more. W must be here. Now this is the final element. Then ఇందులోకి రాలేదు ఇంకా మనం, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చే టైంకి అరౌండ్ 60% ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ ఆల్రెడీ యూజ్డ్. అందుకే దీన్ని ఫైనలైజ్ చేసిన తర్వాత దానికి రావాలి. మీది చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఎగ్జామ్లో, స్కిప్పింగ్ అవుట్ ద పాసిబిలిటీస్. ఫస్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీ అన్ని రాసేస్తాం, తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తాం, ఎక్కడ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మనకు త్వరగా అయిపోతుందో దాన్ని పట్టుకొని కూర్చుంటాం. దెన్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ 4 to 8. దెన్ కమింగ్ టు క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 9 ఆన్వర్డ్స్. మన 9th దగ్గర నుంచి చూడండి. 9 to 11. How many questions we have? Only 3 questions. Now these 3 are based on syllogisms. My first priority, second priority, and first priority. ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఫ్లోర్స్ మనకి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 10 floors ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ అదే ప్రిలిమ్స్ ఇచ్చే టైంకి మ్యాక్సిమం 8 floors ఉంటాయి. PO ప్రిలిమ్స్ వచ్చే టైంకి 10 floors, 9 or 10. Then coming to question number 9. Only a few apples are grapes. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? Only few apples are grapes అంటే only some of the apples are grapes but not all. This entire apple cannot be part of this grape. అంతే కదమ్మా? And next one, no grape is a kiwi. No grape is a kiwi, no intersection between grape and a kiwi. And all guavas are kiwis. Now this entire guava is a part of what? Kiwi. Now this is grape. And some guavas are apple. అవుతుందో? No. All grapes can be apples. మా grapes అన్ని apples అవుతుందో? Apples అన్ని grapes అవ్వకూడదు, అవునా కదా? My line ఎక్కడ నుంచి ఉంది? All this apple cannot be grape. This entire grape can be a part of apple. అవ్వచ్చు కదా? And so what is your answer here? And only 2. Only 2 given in which choice? Only 2, that is choice for question number 9. Then coming to 10th one. Now in this 10th one, some boxes are spoons. Now some boxes are spoons ఎలా రాయాలి? Now these are the boxes that are spoon. Box is here, spoon is here. And all spoons are glass. This entire spoon is a part of what? Glasses. And next one, only a few boxes are plates. Some boxes are plates but not all. Now some boxes are plates but not all. Then some plates are not boxes. Now some plates are not boxes. Now some plates are not boxes. That means, no, some plates are not boxes. True or not? As of now, these are the plates that are not boxes. That is definitely true. And no glass is a plate. ఇది కూడా ట్రూ అయిపోయింది. మరి రెండు కన్క్లూజన్స్ ఏమవుతున్నాయి? రెండు ట్రూ అయ్యాయి. రెండు ఏమవుతున్నాయి? బోత్ దీస్ టూ ఆర్ నెగిటివ్ కన్క్లూజన్స్. మరి రెండు నెగిటివ్ కన్క్లూజన్స్ అయితే ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? ఆల్టర్నేట్. సమ్ ప్లేట్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ బాక్సెస్ అంటే ఆల్ ప్లేట్స్ ఆర్ బాక్సెస్. మా బాక్సెస్ అన్ని ప్లేట్స్లోకి వెళ్ళకూడదు, ప్లేట్ బాక్స్లోకి రావచ్చు కదా. ఇలా వస్తే ఏమైపోయింది? ఆల్టర్నేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ ట్రూ, ప్రీవియస్ కన్క్లూజన్ ఫాల్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, నో గ్లాస్ ఈజ్ ఎ ప్లేట్ అన్నాం. మరి నో గ్లాస్ ఈజ్ ఎ ప్లేట్ ఉంది, ఇది ఫాల్స్ అంటే సమ్ గ్లాసెస్ ఆర్ ప్లేట్స్ అన్నాం. అండ్ సమ్ గ్లాసెస్ ఆర్ ప్లేట్స్ అంటే గ్లాసు ప్లేట్ కలవాలి. మరి ఇందులోకి వస్తే గ్లాసు ప్లేట్ కలిసిపోయింది కదా. క్లియర్? అండ్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ లేదు, ఇలాగ ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసుకోండి. అండ్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ ట్రూ, ప్రీవియస్ కన్క్లూజన్ ఫాల్స్. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్? నెయిదర్ వన్ నాట్. నెయిదర్ వన్ నాట్ చాయిస్ ఫర్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 10. Then 11th one. Now in this question number 11, మన 11th one చేశారా లేదా? No dog is rat. Now in this no dog is rat, no dog is rat. Now these are the dogs and these are rats. No dog is rat. No intersection between dog and rat. Only a few rats are cats. Now these are the rats that are cats. Only a few rats. And all pigs are cats. Now this entire pig is a part of what? Cat. And all rats can never be pigs. All rats can never be pigs and meaning in Japanese. All these cats never be pigs. Isn't it? And rats అన్ని ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో పిక్స్ కావు మా పాసిబిలిటీ తర్వాత డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం ఓకే ఫస్ట్ దట్ ఇస్ ఫైనల్ as a definite conclusion. Some dogs are cats true and the false end. Then first one, all rats can never be pigs and ఏం చేయాలి now possible. Now we need to check out whether all rats can be pigs or not. Rats అన్ని pigs అవుతాయో లేదో ట్రై చేయండి అన్నీ అయితే కెన్ నెవర్ బి అన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఫాల్స్ అవుతుంది అవ్వకపోతే దట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ మరి ర్యాట్స్ అన్ని క్యాట్స్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి ర్యాట్స్ అన్ని పిక్స్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉన్నాయా మా ర్యాట్స్ అన్ని పిక్స్ అవ్వాలంటే ర్యాట్స్ అన్ని ఏమవ్వాలి పిక్స్లోకి రావాలి పిక్ ఇది కాబట్టి ర్యాట్ వెళ్ళాలి ఇలా ర్యాట్ వస్తే ర్యాట్ మళ్ళీ దేంట్లోకి వచ్చింది క్యాట్లోకి వచ్చింది రావచ్చా రాకూడదు అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి దిస్ ఎంటైర్ ర్యాట్ కెనాట్ బి పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ పిక్ మరి వాడు చెప్పింది ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్ దట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఓన్లీ వన్ చాయిస్ ఫర్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 11 then next one 12 to 15 my 12 onwards and first or the second priority and definitely under the first all the letters are removed then 10th element from the right 10th from the right without the letters 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 what is your answer here 3 that is choice to question number 12 then 13th one how many symbols are there and which are immediately followed by letter preceded by number. Sequence must be number, symbol and a letter. Number not followed by symbol. 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 Number, symbol and a letter. Avuna kada? And next one anything else? Number not followed by symbol. And so many one. That is choice for question number 13. Then 14th one. Odd one out. $T and L. $T and L, $2T plus 2. 1, 2, 3 plus 3. Now plus 2 plus 9 hash a plus 2 1 2 3 9 and a hash plus 2 and a hash and a hash and a 1 2 3 plus 3 సరిపోయింది కదా x p and p now x and p plus 2 1 2 3 4 అవుతుంది and so what is your answer choice 3 15 which of the following is 9th to the right of 15th from the left 9 plus 15 24th from the left hand side now 24th from the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And what is your answer? Star choice to 15. Then 16 onwards, straight line. And some north, some south. Some second priority. As of now, we have done 15 questions under the first priority, isn't it? And 16 onwards. Now, what are the questions we have? And 16 to 19. Now 16 to 19, that is 8% north and south. And next one. Now 16 to 19, then 16 to 20 in fact. Now 5 questions unnaya and 20. Then now 16 to 20 kada. Then 21. Now in this 21, then it is individual question. First priority or the second? First. LOCU, LOCUS, TING, locosting. And are all the letters in the word are arranged as per the English alphabetical order from left to right. Then all the vowels are changed to the next letter and consonants are changed to the previous letter. Then how many letters will appear? More than once in the new word. And more than once in the new word thus formed. Then more than one word. Then, చెప్పండి ఎలా చేద్దాం మనం డైరెక్ట్ చేద్దాం ఇది అరేంజ్మెంట్ చేద్దామా నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఎందుకు నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ చెప్పాను బికాస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దట్ వన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ జస్ట్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ వాట్ అండ్ రిపిటేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద లెటర్స్ అవునా కదా దెన్ ఇప్పుడు వొవెల్కి ఏమవ్వాలి అండ్ వొవెల్ మస్ట్ బి చేంజ్ టు అండ్ వొవెల్ ఈజ్ నెక్స్ట్ లెటర్ ఓపి యూవి ఐసి అండ్ కాన్సనెంట్ ప్రీవియస్ నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ కే బి ఆర్ ఎస్ ఎం ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి ఈఎఫ్ మా జీకి ఏమవ్వాలి -1 కదా -1 దెన్ అండ్ హౌ మెనీ లెటర్స్ ఆర్ అండ్ ద వర్డ్ ఆఫ్టర్ and how many letters are repeating now is there any letter that is repeating here no choice 3 is the answer done and 21 then coming to question number 20 Ma 22 to 22 and 23, only 2 questions given under this one. First or the second. And V is the sister-in-law of our angel. X is the sibling of B. X and B are siblings to each other. J is the mother-in-law of S. Ma J is the mother-in-law of S. This is my crucial information. That is S's spouse's mother is J. J is the mother-in-law of S. And M is the father of whom? M is the father of B. V has no doubt. J is the spouse of A. J and A are married to each other. J is a male, A is a. J is a female, A is a male. And V has no daughters. M is the father of B. And V has no doubt. J is the spouse of A. S is the sister of B. Now who is the sister here? S is the sister of B. And this person J is married to this. And S is the sister of whom? V. M is the spouse of B. M and V are married to each other. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 were there. And V is the sister-in-law of R. And V is the sister-in-law of means V is a female. M is a male. Then R is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members. Then X is the sibling of B and X and B and M is the father of B. And M is the father of B and M is the father of B, B is here. Then X will be here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then males. Why it is males here? M is the V has no daughters. As V has no daughters, both the persons are sons. Now this is about 22 and 23. Then 24 onwards. Now 24 to 28. How many questions were there under this one? Boxes. Now only 7 boxes were there. Isn't it? 7 boxes. That information is also very limited here. Less information is there. You can able to work out in the first. And again, because you already left one of the set under the second priority 16 to 20. Isn't it? Then 24. Now 7 boxes are there. 9 boxes and so on. We'll keep this one under the second priority. Then 3 boxes are kept between G and V. Ma G ki B ki mas 2 boxes unna cheppandi. There are exactly 3 boxes between G and V. Now B is here. Then 3 boxes 1, 2, 3. G is here. And 5 boxes were covered. Or G can be above this one 1, 2, 3. No, B is here. Possibilities and C is kept immediately below Z. Now C is kept immediately below Z. Now C is kept immediately below Z. Now here again C is kept immediately below Z. Isn't it? Now D is kept 3 boxes above E. Now D kept 3 boxes above E. 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes were there. Now D is 3 boxes above E. That means in between D and E there must be exactly 2. And next one. And D is kept only 2 boxes are between A and C. Now between A and C there must be exactly 2. A must be here. If A is here and 2 boxes, more than 3 boxes between B and C. More than 3 boxes between B and C, this is ruled out. Now more than 3 boxes. Then next to D and E. There must be exactly 2 in between D and E. What is the possibility we have? D must be here. Means that D and E is here. Now D and E is here. Then what is the other possibility we have? And which is left over? F is left over. B, F, A, D, G, C. Now this is about question numbers 24 to 27. Then 28. 29 onwards. First priority or the second priority. And definitely under the first priority, question number 29. Now in this 29th one. Now Q greater than or equals to D. Q greater than or equals to D. D equal to Q equal to. Which element is common? V is common. Now D to V greater than or equals to, lesser than or equals to. Opposite symbol. No relation can be drawn. R and E. Now R is here, E is here. That is V greater than R. E greater than V. Now E greater than V. E greater than R lesser than E. And so only 2 choice to question number 29. Then coming to this 30. Now in this 30, the relation between T and E. Now T and E, T ekkada, A ekkada. And T and A, which element is common? K is common. Now T to K, T lesser than K. And A lesser than K, and K greater than A. T and A, opposite symbol. No relation can be drawn. Next one, M and P. My M ekkada, P ekkada. Now which element is common? K is common. Now K greater than or equals to M. And K greater than or equals to P. That is P lesser than or equals to K. Hence opposite symbol. Opposite symbol, no relation. And next one. Then neither one nor two. Neither one nor two. Choice 1. 30th. Then 31. Now in this question number 31. The relation between Q and H. Now H is here, Q is here. Which element is common? F is common. H2F greater than or equals to and F2 and F2 what? And F2Q. F2Q less than. And opposite symbol. Opposite symbol, no relation. And next one, V and O. O is here, V is here, again F. Opposite symbol, no relation. But whereas H and O are same. Now in the place of H, we can take it as O. And Q and V are same. And in the place of Q, you can take it as V. V greater than O. V lesser than or equals to O. All the three symbols were present in only two conclusions. And in the statement between these two opposite, hence it is either one or two, choice two. Now follow here. And then coming to question number 32. Now in this 32, what is information we have here? 32 and coding and decoding. Now strong, STRONG. Amma chesara ledha? And the code given to the word strong, LMT, HGI. Then in the same way, then what is the code to the word hanger? Though there are two examples given here, if you could able to crack the logic with the first example, no need to go through the second one at all, isn't it? My answer vastunda ledha? Then what is divided into two equal halves? Then now S opposite H, T is opposite G, R is opposite I. And the first half of letters, their opposite are written in the second half. And O, L, N, M, G, T. And in the same way, H opposite and Japan, yes. And A, Z, N, M. And in the same way, and for G and T, E, V, R, T, V, I, S, Z, M. T, V, I, S, Z, M, choice to 32. Then 33 onwards. Now in this question number 33 onwards, first priority or the second. How many questions were given under this one? Only 3. Only 3, no need to write down the words and the code separately, isn't it? Then starting with this. Then what does the code MK stands for? My MK is common between the first and the second. Anything else that is common here? No. Hence, which word is common between these two? Organized. The code for this one is organized, choice for question number 33. Then 34. Increase. Now we need to find out the code to the word increase. My increase and a word ekkada undi manaki. And increase, now 4 lo undi. Inkekkada ledu manaki. Avuna kada? Then next one module anedi common undi. Electric and electrifying. Common unda leda? Ledu. Electrifying unda? Ledu. Crime anedi common undi kada? Undi. Kanuka 2 words are left over. Obviously 2 codes will be left over. My 2 codes manaki NP or XO. Ikkada XO ledu kabatti this will be the answer. ఇక్కడ మీరు కొద్దిగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. మన ఇక్కడ కోడ్స్ ఏం మిగిలిపోయి అని కూడా చూడాల. ఏ లెటర్స్ కామన్ ఉన్నాయి కూడా చూడలేదు. మనం ఏం చేసాం? మనకి 2 మిగులుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి ఏది రావాలి. ఏది రారంటే ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏదో ఒకటి అవ్వాలి. అందరు ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఎన్పి ఉంది, ఎన్పి ఎక్స్ఓ ఇక్కడ లేనే లేదు కనుక ఇది అవ్వదు కాబట్టి ఇది అవుతుంది. దెన్ ఈ విధంగా మనకి డైరెక్ట్గా చేయాలనుకుంటే యూ మస్ట్ బి వెరీ వెరీ యాక్టివ్. అందుకే ఎక్కువ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ప్రీవియస్ పేపర్స్ అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి కదా, అవన్నీలోనే చేయండి. ఒక అటెస్టేజ్ 20 పేపర్లు పెట్టుకోండి. 20 పేపర్లో ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఓపెన్ చేసి పెట్టండి. అన్నీ ఒకేసారి చేయండి. దెన్ అప్పటి నుంచి ఎలిమినేషన్ ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. అందుకని ఒక పేపర్లో చేస్తే అన్ని ఏరియాస్ ఉంటాయి. ఒకే ఏరియా మీద మీకు కంప్లీట్ గ్రిప్ రాదు. గ్రిప్ రావాలంటే ఒకే టాపిక్ మీద అన్ని పేపర్స్ చేయాలి. అన్ని పేపర్స్ ఒక టాపిక్ చేయడం అర్థమవుతుందా? అన్ని పేపర్స్ పెట్టుకొని ఒకే టాపిక్ చేయాలి. దెన్ కమింగ్ టు ద డిఫైన్ అండ్ జిఈఎస్ఆర్ ఉంది. మా జిఈఎస్ఆర్ అనేది ఎక్కడ ఉంది చెప్పండి? జిఈ ఎక్కడ ఉంది, జిఈ ఇక్కడ ఉంది. అండ్ జిఈ రెండిట్లో కామన్ ఉంది. ఇంకేమైనా ఉందో? అండ్ జిఈ ఇక్కడ కామన్. మా మూడిట్లో కామన్గా ఉన్నది ఏంటి? ఎస్ ట్రైన్, క్రైమ్, 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 క్రైమ్. నా క్రైమ్ ఈజ్ కమ్. మనకు చాయిస్లో అయితే క్రైమ్ కావాలి, అవునా కదా? అండ్ క్రైమ్ కావాలి కాబట్టి ఈ రెండు ఉంది. ఈ రెండిట్లో మనకి ఏమైంది? క్రైమ్ సెంట్రిక్, టన్నల్ క్రైమ్. అండ్ క్రైమ్ సెంట్రిక్, సెంట్రిక్ అనే వర్డ్ ఉంది. అండ్ టన్నల్ అనే వర్డ్ ఉందా? ఎస్. అండ్ టన్నల్ అనే వర్డ్ ఉంది. బట్ వేరేస్ టన్నల్ అండ్ క్రైమ్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉందమ్మా. అండ్ జిఈ అండ్ ఎస్ఆర్ అన్నాం. అండ్ జిఈ ఈజ్ కామన్. ఎస్ఆర్ ఎక్కడ కామన్ ఉంది మనకి? అండ్ ఎస్ఆర్ ఓన్లీ సెకండ్లోనే ఉంది. కనుక ఈ వర్డ్ మనకి ఏముంది? సెకండ్లో ఉండాలి. సెకండ్లో ఉండాలంటే క్రైమ్ సెంట్రిక్ ఉంది, క్రైమ్ టన్నల్ ఉంది. క్లియర్? దెన్ ఇప్పుడు మనకు కామన్ చూడండి. అండ్ సెంట్రిక్ ఈజ్ కామన్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ, అవునా కదా? కనుక సెంట్రిక్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి టన్నల్ విల్ బి ద ఆన్సర్. ఎందుకు? ఒకే కోడ్ మిగిలిపోయింది కనుక సెంట్రిక్ కామన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి సెంట్రిక్ కెనాట్ బి ద కోడ్ ఫర్ దట్. దెన్ ఆన్సర్ చాయిస్ 5 ఇస్ డన్. అమ్మ ఫాలో అయ్యారా లేదా? ఫాలో అవ్వకపోతే ఏం చేస్తారు? మళ్ళీ ఇది మీరు చేయవలసింది. మీరు సొంతగా ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తే కన్నా గ్రిప్ రాదు మీకు. దెన్ కమింగ్ టు 36 ఆన్వర్డ్స్. and 36 to 40. మా చెప్పండి ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ ఫైనల్లీ యూ ఆర్ లెఫ్ట్ విత్ ఓన్లీ 2 more. మా 16 to 20 మిగిలిపోయింది, 36 to 40 మిగిలిపోయింది. ఈ రెండిట్లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ దేనికి ఇవ్వాలి? మా 36 to 40కి ఇచ్చాను. మా ఎందుకు అక్కడ మనకి 8% నార్త్ అండ్ సౌత్, ఇక్కడ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ చాలా తక్కువ ఉంది, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? దెన్ నో ఏజెస్. మా ఏజెస్ మనకి తక్కువ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఏది ఈజీ అవుతుంది? మా మాట్లాడాలి, ఏజ్ ఈజీ అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్ తక్కువ. మా ఎక్కడైనా మ్యాథమెటికల్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఇచ్చాడంటే మీ పని అవుట్. ఇక డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఎక్కువ, సమ్ ఆర్ క్యూబ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్, అలాంటిది ఏదైనా మనకు కష్టం అవుతుంది. క్లియర్? అంతేగాని ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ తక్కువ ఉందంటే పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఎక్కువ వస్తాయి, కాంప్లికేషన్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. దెన్ అందులో ఏజెస్, మ్యాథమెటికల్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి చూసుకోవాలి. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 68, మనం ఇయర్స్ రాసుకోండి. 68, 73, మన నెక్స్ట్ ఏముంది? అండ్ 79, 68, 73, 79, 88, నెక్స్ట్ 88, 94, 99, 94, 99, మన నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 2007. And how many? 7 persons born in these 7 different years, and there is no other parameter added to this one. And the base year, what was the base year we have? My base year ikkada enta undi cheppandi? Now the and 2023. Now 2023 was the base year. My base year 2023. Then coming back to this. Now base year 2023. Then P was born in a leap year. Now P was born in a leap year, and among this one leap years ఎన్ని వస్తాయని చెప్పండి? How many leap years are there? 2 point. And what are those two? One is 68 and the other one is 88. That means any year and which is not a century year, which are divided by 4 are leap years. మా leap years ఏంటి? సెంచురీ ఇయర్ కాకుండా రిమైనింగ్ ఈ నాన్ సెంచురీ ఇయర్స్ 4తో డివైడ్ అయితే లీప్ ఇయర్. అదే సెంచురీ ఇయర్ అయితే 400తో డివైడ్ అవ్వాలి. అర్థమైందా? సెంచురీ ఇయర్ అంటే ఏంటి? 1900, 2000, 2100, 2200. సెంచురీ మీన్స్ 00. అటువంటిది లీప్ ఇయర్ అవ్వాలంటే 400తో డివైడ్ అవ్వాలి, లేదా నార్మల్ ఇయర్స్ లీప్ ఇయర్ అవ్వాలంటే 4తో డివైడ్ అవ్వాలి. దెన్ కమింగ్ బ్యాక్ ఓన్లీ ఏజెస్. నౌ యూ నీడ్ టు రైట్ డౌన్ ద ఏజెస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ పర్సన్. మా ఏజెస్ ఏం చెప్పండి? 68లో పుట్టినవాడు ఎంత ఏజ్ ఉంటుంది? 55 years ఉంటుంది. అండ్ అక్కడ నుంచి 68 నుంచి +5, +5 అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎంత? -5, అండ్ +6 అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎంత? -6. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 79 అండ్ +9, +9 అంటే -9. నౌ 88 +6, +6 అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎంత? 29. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ +5, -5, 24. హియర్ +8, -8, 16. Now these are the ages of these persons. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? P was born in a leap year, and P can be born either in the year 68 or 88. 2 possibilities. And only one person between P and U. ఇక్కడ U వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ ఏం రావాలి? U ఇక్కడ, P and U can be here. ఎన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ వచ్చాయో చెప్పండి? 3 possibilities. And sum of R and T is 73 years. R plus T is 73 అన్నాడు. మా R plus T 73 అంటే మనకి ఎన్ని? 16 plus 55 not possible. 24 plus how much? 24 plus 44 not possible. 29 plus 44. And what is the only possibility? And 29 and 44 R and T, R and T. మా సరిపోయిందా లేదా? R and T, R and T. Now in this one R and T, R and T, my possibility ఉందా లేదా ఇది? No, not ruled out. Yes, R and T. And R and T were here. R plus T 73 కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకి R and T and R and T. Isn't it? R and T. Then R and T, R and T. Then next one, S is elder than R. Now S is what? S is elder than R. And the age difference between S and Q is 39. My S and Q is 39. My S ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏ పాసిబిలిటీస్ రావచ్చు చెప్పండి? నో S ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ ఉందో? అండ్ S మస్ట్ బి హీరో ఉంది, అవునా కదా? బికాజ్ R and T ఇక్కడ ఉంది. దెన్ ఇక్కడ T ఉన్నా ఇక్కడ R ఉండాలి, ఇక్కడ R ఉన్నా ఇక్కడ T ఉండాలి. ఇన్ బోత్ ద కేసెస్ S మస్ట్ బి హెడ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్. అండ్ S and this one, what is the difference we have? 73 రావాలి. మా 39. అండ్ S and T Q 39, 55. And 59 minus how much is 39? 16. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎస్కి 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్ వస్తాయి మనకి, ఇక్కడ ఒకటే పాసిబిలిటీ. ఇంకా పట్టొద్దు, తర్వాత చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఇది ఫిక్స్ చేసేద్దాం. దెన్ ఎస్ అండ్ క్యూ. అండ్ వి ఈజ్ యంగర్ దాన్ టీ. మా వి ఈజ్ యంగర్ దాన్ టీ. ఆర్ డస్ నాట్ బోర్న్ ఇన్ అన్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఇయర్. ఆర్ డస్ నాట్ బోర్న్ ఇన్ అన్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఇయర్. ఆర్ ఈజ్. ఆర్ ఇక్కడైతే టీ ఈజ్. ఇంకా మిగిలిపోయింది అని చెప్పండి? అండ్ వి ఈజ్ అట్ దిస్ ప్లేస్. సరిపోయింది కదా? ఇన్ కేస్ కాకపోతే అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నుంచి మొదలు పెట్టుకుంటాం ఎస్తో. Now this is about 36 to 40. Then the next one 16 to 20. My question number 16 to 20 start చేద్దామా? Now question number 16 to 20. Now here in this one, how many people are there? 8 persons. And 8 people, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, and S. P, Q, and R. They are sitting in a straight line with an equal distance between each other. Now 8 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 persons, some of them are north and some of them are facing south. L sits at an extreme ends of the line. L is at an extreme ends of the line. How many possibilities we have? 2 possibilities. Now L can be at the left extreme and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or L can be at the right extreme. And M sits third to the right of L. M is seated third to the right of L. Now M is here. Now in the first case, L must be facing north. Now here, L must be facing south. M sits third to the right of L. And only 2 people between M and Q. Q is here. And only 2 people between M and Q. Q is here. And K sits to the immediate left of Q unknown. Now K is to the immediate left of Q. K is to the immediate left hand Q. Based on the position of Q, we can able to fix this K. And K sits, and both Q and L are facing the same. Q and L. And Q and L are facing the same direction. Now L is already facing north, Q is facing. Make L is facing south, Q is not. And K is to the immediate left of Q, K is here. K must be at this place. And K and Q were in these 2 places. Next one. And the persons who sit the extreme and face opposite direction. Now this person is facing south, this person is facing north. And immediate neighbors of R are facing the same direction. And R's neighbors same. R's neighbors are facing the same direction. And only 2 people between P and O. Now in between P and O, how many people are there? 2 people. R faces north. And R is facing towards north here. R himself is facing towards north. Now R is facing north. Immediate neighbors of R are facing the same direction. Mara R's neighbors etundali. Maybe north, maybe south. Clear? We north kabatti south undavalsina pani. Clear? And only 2 people between P and O. Now 2 in between P and O are north. O and L face opposite directions. Now L is south, and here O must be towards which direction? O is. O itu pakku undali south undi. Ikkada O itu pakku undali north undali. And R sits second to the right of O annadu. R is seated second to the right of O. Hence O cannot be here, O cannot be here, because R sits second to the right of O is not possible. Mari ekkada undali? O is here. O ikkada unte south, and R will be here. R is facing towards which direction? North. And here, then coming back to this one, O and L face opposite direction. L is south, O must be north. O must be north ante, then R sits second to the right of O kada, and R is seated second to the right of O, hence O must be here. Then R sits second to the right of O. Now here R is facing towards which direction? North. Done with this? Now we have done with this information, this information has also been. And next one, next time. And R sits second. Both K and M are facing the same direction. Now P and O, there are exactly 2 people together. Now O and P, there are exactly 2 people. There are 2 possibilities for this O and P. Now ikkada kuda manaki 2 possibilities unnai. And next one, K and M face same direction. K and M. KM same direction. And next one, K and R are face opposite direction. K and R face opposite direction. R is north, the K will be south. Now here R is north, the K will be south. And K and M are facing the same. Now here M is facing south. Now here K is south, M is also facing south. K and M facing south. And immediate neighbors of M opposite. And immediate neighbors of M are opposite. Now here same direction, that is true. Till now both the cases are valid. And next one. And 2 people between O and P. More than 2 people between P and R. And P cannot be here, P is here. More than 2 people between P and R. And K, L, M. N is the person left over. And if N is left over, then no. Immediate neighbors of R. Immediate neighbors are for same direction. Now N is facing towards south. No, check out here how much time it has taken. No, see whether it has taken more time when compared to the remaining sets or not. మరి రిమైనింగ్ పజిల్స్ ఏవైతే చేసాం వాటికన్నా ఇది తక్కువ టైం పట్టిందో ఎక్కువ టైం పట్టిందో ఎక్కువ టైం పడుతుందనేసి ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తే మనం సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ వదిలేసాం. అందుకే ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ మీకు ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ క్లియర్. ఈ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ చదవగానే మీకు ఫిక్స్ అయిపోవాలి వెదర్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ అండర్ ద ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ ఆర్ ద సెకండ్. మా ఏదైతే పట్టుకోకూడదు అది పట్టుకున్నారు అకౌంటింగ్. ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ మనకి 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ చేసే టైంలో మినిమం 12 to 15 క్వశ్చన్స్ చేసేవచ్చు. ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్, కోడింగ్ అండ్ డీకోడింగ్, ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ ఇవన్నీ అయిపోతాయి. క్లియర్. అందుకే దీన్ని సెకండ్ పెట్టుకోవాలి, అవన్నీ ఫస్ట్ తెచ్చుకోవాలి. అంతేగాని ఎగ్జామ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత అరే ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్ నేను చూడలేదు చేయలేకపోయినా అంటే అది నీ తప్పదు. అవును కదా, వాడు అందరూ చేయాలని ఇచ్చాడు, మీరేం చేయాలి? మీరు ఈజీ ఇవన్నీ ఫస్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. చేయలేదంటే యూ కెనాట్ క్లెయిమ్ ఆన్ దట్ వన్. ఇట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఇన్ఎఫిషియన్సీ, ఇట్ ఈజ్ యువర్, ఇంకా క్లియర్గా చెప్పండి, ఇట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఫూలిష్నెస్. అర్థమవుతుందా? దెన్ నౌ దిస్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ ఇంకైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇందులో? నెంబర్ సిరీస్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్స్ ప్లీజ్ 71 onwards. Now in this question number 71 to 75. Now in this 71 to 75, చెప్పండి దేంట్లోకి రావాలి? డిఫరెన్స్ మా 0 and 6 ఏమవుతాయి? 0 and 6, 0 and 6 కనిపించగానే స్ట్రైక్ అవ్వాలి. ఏంటది? n³ - n. ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉండాలి? 24 ఉందో లేదో మనకు అనవసరం. 1³ - 1, 2³ - 2, 3³ - 3, 4³ - 4, 5³ - 5, 120. 120 యాడ్ చేయాలా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయలేం? మైనస్. వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్? 90 is 3. దెన్ 72. మా 16 and 8 నెంబర్ ఒకసారి తగ్గింది ఏమవుతుంది? హాఫ్. నౌ దిస్ ఈస్ ఇంటూ 0.5 and it is 1.5. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 2.5. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం అవ్వాలి? 3.5. మా 3.5 అంటే ఎంత అవ్వాలి? 105 2. దెన్ 73 and 73 చెప్పండి. మా 18 into 2 plus 2, 38 into 2 plus 2, 3 into 2 plus 2 ఎంత? 8. 8 is 70. Into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2. Then 74. మా 237. మా 2 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది 300, 400, 500, 700. Numbers are increasing at a very fast rate. Hence a combination. Now into 2 plus 1, into 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 ఎంత రావాలి చెప్పండి? And 4, and 9 into 5 plus 1. The last digit must be 6. Choice 3 is the answer. Then 75. మా 75 ఏం రావాలి? అండ్ డిఫరెన్స్ 101 and 118 డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? +17. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ -34. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ +51, -68. And 7 into 5 +85. And 7 plus 5 is 3. Last digit 3, choice 5 is the answer. మరి సరిపోయిందా? అండ్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ 7 plus 5 is 2. Sorry, 7 plus 5 ఎంత రావాలి? 2. And 6 plus 8 is so much? 14. 152, choice 3, 7. Then now this is about PO prelim paper number 65. Clear? Any doubts in this? In these two papers?